Hey, Big Dog broke my car. Yeah, I did. Okay, I want to know your guys' thoughts on this. This vehicle was just towed over here for me to look at. It's a no start, and as you can see, it's been outside for a while. I believe this was at another shop for about 4 months and they couldn't figure it out, so they brought it to me to look at. But anyway, when it was towed over, both windows were rolled down, and I couldn't look at it as soon as it got here. And you know, it's monsoon season out here in the desert, it's gonna rain, so I needed to secure the vehicle outside, and I went to roll up both windows, and the passenger one rolled up okay. Driver one rolled up about 4 or 5 inches, and then I heard snap, crackle, pop, and the window dropped all the way back down. So most likely we have a broken window regulator in there, but obviously I'm the last one who touched it. I'm the one who, you know, raised it up, pressed that button, and the window broke when I operated it. So who pays for it? Whose fault is it? Is it my fault because I'm the one who pressed that button? Is it the owner's fault, or is it the owner's responsibility, I should say, to pay for it? Is it my responsibility to pay for it? Who pays in this case? Is it the tow truck driver, because he's the one who rolled the windows down and I had to put them back up? You know, it can be open to a lot of areas or questions. Now in this case, a window regulator is not that expensive, you know, and to put it in is not too bad. But what if it was, say, like the timing belt broke as soon as I turned that engine over, you know, tried to crank it and the timing belt snapped and we did some damage on the valves? Then who pays, you know? Is it still my responsibility to pay? Is it the owner's responsibility? Who pays in that situation, you know, when it's a more expensive thing and you didn't do anything wrong? All you did was literally, you know, touch a key, touch a button or whatever to operate it, and the thing broke. Is it your responsibility when it breaks, or is it the owner's? I'm curious what your thoughts are in this. I know what I'm going to do, but I'd like to know what you would do in this situation. And as always, if the video helped you out, you liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.